Today, we're going to explore Facebook Business Suite and show you how it can make managing your social media presence much easier in 2025. Whether you run a small business, a growing brand, or simply want to organize your content, Facebook Business Suite is a one-stop platform to manage your Facebook and Instagram accounts all in one place. If you're new to this tool, don't worry. We'll break it down step by step so you can start using it confidently. First, Facebook Business Suite allows you to manage posts and content across both Facebook and Instagram. You can create posts, schedule them for later, and even see how they will look before publishing. Scheduling saves time and ensures your content goes live at the best times for engagement. You can also manage stories and reels, which is perfect for keeping your audience engaged with fresh and dynamic content. Next, the platform gives you insights and analytics. Business Suite shows you key metrics like post reach, engagement, page views, and follower growth. For beginners, this data is invaluable because it helps you understand what content resonates with your audience. By reviewing these insights, you can adjust your strategy and focus on what works best, saving time and improving results. Another important feature is messaging and customer communication. You can read and respond to messages from Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram all in one inbox. This makes it easier to reply quickly to customers, answer questions, and provide excellent service. You can also set up automated replies for common inquiries, ensuring that your audience always gets a response even when you're busy. Facebook Business Suite also helps you run ads and promotions efficiently. You can create and manage ad campaigns without switching between platforms, making advertising simpler and more organized. Even if you're a beginner, the interface guides you through the process, allowing you to reach the right audience and grow your business online. Finally, the tool helps you stay organized with tasks and notifications. You can see scheduled posts, recent activity, and important alerts all in one place. This way, you never miss an update, a comment, or an opportunity to engage with your audience. Staying organized is key to growing your brand consistently. Facebook Business Suite is a powerful tool for anyone looking to manage their social media efficiently. By taking advantage of its features, posting, messaging, analytics, and ads, you can save time, stay organized, and grow your audience faster. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy-to-follow social media tutorials.